Long, long ago, in a lush green forest, lived a kind rabbit, a mischievous monkey, a cunning fox, and a playful otter. They were all good friends, but the rabbit was known for his gentle heart and generosity. One day, a wise old man, weary from his travels, came to the forest. He was actually a deity in disguise, testing the animals' virtues. He approached them, saying, "I am very hungry. Can any of you offer me food?" The monkey quickly climbed a tree and brought down a handful of fruits. The fox, with his cleverness, caught a fish from the river. The otter, diving deep, emerged with several fresh clams. But the rabbit, having only grass to eat, felt sad that he had nothing suitable to offer the old man. He thought for a moment, then gathered some firewood and lit a fire. "Old man," he said, "I have no food to give you, but I offer myself. Please roast me and eat, so you may not starve." The old man was deeply moved by the rabbit's selfless act. He revealed his true form as a powerful deity. "Your compassion and sacrifice are truly remarkable," he declared. "From this day forward, your noble deed will be remembered by all. I shall place you on the moon, where everyone can see your kindness and be inspired." And so, the deity lifted the rabbit to the moon, where his image can still be seen to this very day, a constant reminder of his selfless heart. This beautiful tale teaches us several important lessons. First, true generosity comes from the heart, even when you have little to give. Second, selflessness and compassion are virtues that are always rewarded, often in unexpected ways. And third, even the smallest among us can perform the greatest acts of kindness. Subscribe for more enchanting stories and fables.